Okay, welcome listener in here. I would like to talk to you about the vote rights, and I would like to explain the definition of voting and who can vote and why voting is extremely important for a democratic country. For a country. And secondly, I will like to explain the concept of the social contract and the society participation in the social contract between the society and the government. And I will give you the current status quo right now about the voting by the prisoner. And I will give you the pro and the contradiction in here in the fourth right, and what the pro and what the contradiction in here. Okay, the firstly, I will to like you like the first I said the definition of the voting. Voting is a method for a group such as a meeting or an electorate to make a decision or expression or express an opinion, often following discussion, debates, or meeting or election campaign. Okay, okay. In Indonesian, we use voting to elect our president, to elect the representative, to elect the governor, to elect a boss, even to elect the corporal class. And in here, who can vote? Of course, the in Indonesian, the people can vote is the above is has a age above the 17-year-olds and also has a resident cards of Indonesia. Okay, how about the people in outside the Indonesian? They can vote when they come to the embassy. They has embassy in every country. For example, like Indonesian embassy in America. So the Indonesian people that live in America, they vote they vote the candidate in the Indonesian embassy. They come to the Indonesian embassy to vote the candidate. Okay, and why voting is extremely important for a country? Why? Especially for democratic country. The voting is very important for a democratic country because it's a democratic country. It is in the democratic itself is the important thing from the society is very important. So all decision, all the problem solved is the in the society hand. Okay, in here, uh, voting very important for democratic country. Core decision in the people hand. So people can choose the candidate of the president, the candidate of the representative, the candidate of the governor. For what? To avoid the appearance of the dictator. Okay, that's the why the voting is very important for a nation, for a country. Okay, the secondly, I will the concept of the social contract in here. Okay, and society participation. Okay, social contract means is the agreement between the leader before they chosen by a become a president and the society itself. Okay, this contract is already has in the Pancasila Sila kelima, ladies and also gentlemen, and that's why is inside that word is a keadilan sosial bagi seluruh rakyat Indonesia, which mean in there is a social justice. And why the social justice is a very important thing. This government responsibility and also the society responsibility. So society must be participate in the social contract. Why? Because social contract in here, the society must has a participation in the social justice. Okay, and I would like to talk to you about the current status quo right now about the of voting for the prisoner. Okay, in Jawa Barat, Indonesia, ladies and also gentlemen, the voting in Indonesian, the voting in Jawa Barat is I'm sorry, voting for the prisoner in the Jawa Barat is 17,000 prisoner has a right to vote. In this case, is they vote the candidate of the Jokowi and the Prabowo, and the winner is Jokowi, of course. And it's also the it's also the current status quo right now, and that's mean the prisoner has a right to vote. It's also has a connection between the sports right and human right. Why? Because the human right is also the pot rights, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Because in the human right there has a right to choose, there has a right to vote, and the prisoner is human, of course, especially the prisoner in a democratic country. They must, they also could vote in could vote the candidate of the president of the representative. But in this case, in Jawa Barat, in Indonesia, the prisoner just can vote the president, not can vote, not the representative or something or governor. Okay, not like in England, like not in the United Kingdom. They are parliamentary country, and they doesn't give a right to prisoner to vote. Why? Because in that they think that the prisoner is do the crime, they can ruin the society, they broke the society, so they didn't give a vote rights to the didn't give a vote rights to the prisoner. Okay, and I think that's my speech today. I close it. Thank you very much, listener. I hope it's very meaningful for you to choose what you want.